welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry's Cooking World. Today we are going to make corn kebabs. Take 250 grams of corns and blend them. See, the corns are blended now. Do not finely blend the corns. Now let's prepare the mixture for our corn kebabs. I have taken the grated corns. Now take boiling grated potatoes. Add in half finely chopped capsicum, 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 small green chili finely chopped. Now add in 100 grams of grated paneer. Now add some more corns. Add some salt as per your taste, some red chili powder and some garam masala. Add black pepper powder. Add 2 teaspoons corn flour for binding. Now mix all the ingredients and make a dough. See, all the ingredients are mixed properly. Now grease your hands and make small patties like this and insert an ice cream stick in it like this. Now the kebabs are ready for frying. Now the oil is hot. Let's fry the kebabs. Fry until they become golden brown in color. Now flip them. Our kebabs are now ready.